Jaguar Jag-i 4-Zyme Master Thesis Project. Taking the designs from thesis vehicle concept is designed with the Jaguar D-type. This concept is there with improving speed at which vehicle is moving. The concept highly relies on aerodynamic technologies that are having the proper driving technique. Today, the cars are missing in making link between drivers and cars. This concept will have the priority in motor racing that introduces in D-type and gives heart back to track. It is the perfect information of having driver-oriented graphic, which is there with iconic fin. Moreover, the vehicle is good at having open roof mode, racing mode, and even road mode. The track mode provides access for only one seat, and when working with road mode, then vehicle has two-seat way. This is the perfect way to explain aero volume for human imaginations that are working with the clean and smooth technologies. It is having lightweight and rear front that provides the best look to car. The whole large front is formed with lightweight structure which locates easily front wing. The shields are used to bend and form graphics that is having the front of Jaguar face which generates lively freeing. The two doors on sides allow roof hide inside passenger space. It even has the original shut lines which are there with opening of doors from different sides, providing a perfect shape. Shut lines on the car are naturally built with using aerodynamic elements. It also provides better opportunity to have protective shield of the vehicle. If you want to know more details about this vehicle, please go to the designer's profile linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more concept vehicles in the future.